So guys, we continue working on our slider. So exist the customize, we go to a plugin called slider resolution. So this slider resolution is a plugin that we use to build different slider on the website. So but this template come with a slider which I will just edit. This is the landing page, so I will just click on edit. Yeah, this is the slider resolution page, and from the top now, these are different slide. This way you can add new slide. We are going to add that later. These are different slide that we have. You can preview to go to the second slide, which is the second slide. You can view any slide. So add layer, this way you can add anything to the slider. You can add button, you can add image, you can add icon. While this side you can view the website, you can change the view from the desktop to mobile, anyone that you want to view this side. While this side below, that's where you see all the content that is on the slider resolution, and how you can delete some, you can add some. While this side, this icon, this is the setting of the slider resolution, where you can make some setting of your slider. You can change the layout, change the title. This side, this way you can change the navigation option of your slider. I mean this navigation option, you can change it to arrow, you can change it to text or bullet. So this way you can do your background, change the background of the slide, the background image. You can change it to anything you want, and here too you can change your layer option, how you can give an action to the layer. So we are going to explore all this. For now, with the first of all, let's start with the first slider. So this slider now, I want to change this image, though I still like the background and the content is cool, so I can just preview it. So this is the slider on different devices. Let me check it on mobile. Okay, so I can check it on desktop view. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that I want to change the slider background. First of all, I will go to the back end, to media, and this is the slider, which is cool. The size is 1920 by 556. So let me just save it first to my system. So it's on my system now. This is it, and I want to remove the image there and leave the background. So there is this tool online. You can use cleanup.picture. So you can clean anything in your image. You can remove any object, or you can do anything that you want to do. So download, I will just upload that file. This is, I have it now, so I can clean this man out. So it's a good tool that you can use to remove objects from the picture. Yeah, I'm good to go now with this background. I will put another image here. So let me just download it. So let me check my download. See, I have it here. So what I will do is that I will just go to canva.com. You can go to canva.com. It's online too. All this design and modification I'm doing, you can do it with your Photoshop if you are good with Photoshop or any other tools. So first of all, I want to use a customized size, so which I put my width by 1920 by 565. I'll be 655. What is this size? This size. Okay, 656. Okay, 656. So I put the size there, and I create it. So I have the design size, which I can now give a background I want, but I've already have my background. I wish to design some other stuff later, so I will upload my background. Click upload file, select this specific file, the one you have removed that background, upload it, and you can then use it, make it the background, replace the background. We have it here. So what I will do is that I will upload image that I get from from the client. There are some image I get from the client which I want to put to the side, so you can just click on it. I think I like this one, so this is the image. I'll just do it like this, modify it. Okay, I'm good to go. I can download it here. PNG, any size that you want, just on JPG. So download, complete download. So what I will do is that I will modify all the slider I have, so you can do it differently, and just go and upload it to the site. So let's go back to our website, to the slider resolution. On this place, background, I can click on change background, and I upload my file. I select it. I can go to download, see my download picture, and I upload it, insert it. Okay, I've inserted it there, and I can preview. Okay, see the slider. Let me check it on mobile. This is how it look like. The first one, I'm still working on the first one. Okay, it seems the image is too close to this side, so let me just, you can modify it again and shift it a little. So you can just modify it different way and achieve what you want to achieve. Under background, media, the source, and I upload it again, second one, we insert it, and we preview. Okay, we are good to go on mobile. I like it. And this second slide, which I will modify later, this on the desktop, is cool. I will just change this content. So this is how you can modify all your slider, and then the slider source, you can change it to external, transparent. You can even include YouTube video as your background video. So just click on, if you click on YouTube video, you just provide the URL, and the YouTube video will be your background. What I will do is I make next one of our slide, I will make a YouTube video as it. So after you finish it, you save plumbing. The mistakes I want to write it as plumber, just click on that content, you see it here, plumbing. I will change this to plumbing solution. So here now I can modify this. I can decide to change the color. I just go to style, scroll down. These are the size. I can increase the size, the width of the content. Let me just make it 60 pixels. I want it bigger. It's kind of bigger. Yeah. You can change the bold. So the text color, I will change it to red. So depending on what you want to change it to, or I'll change it to blue. Yeah, I like the blue. So it's now blue. You can the style to the advanced style. You can change the effect, box shadow, every design that you want to do. You can test any of all these animation, how it bring the animation. You can test it out, and you can even add a link. Okay, like on this request appointment, click on it, and you can change the content to this request appointment. You can change it to anything that you want to change it to. Like they put it inside a tag, so I can just say request appointment now. Let me add now. So we now have it here. So I want to give it an action. Action is what if the user click on it, what is he going to do? You understand? Is he going to open a new page, or is he going to do any other thing? So I will action, I will give it a simple link. So when the user click on that request a button, I just want it to go to maybe contact page to make it simple. So I will just put I will just copy our URL, paste it here, /. contact. After finish with this, just exit it. You give it an action. When user click on it, it's going to that page. You can click on it to direct a number to your WhatsApp or any other thing that you want to do. So after this, we preview. I will click on save. Let me just save it. So I can move to the second slide. So this second slide, I can change the background, change anything that I want to change. Add the button, plumbing. How you can do it. Let me just change the background of this second image. Background, go to background images and the media. I already modified some background which I'll just upload. So insert it. So don't worry, just preview it. Okay, we have our first slide, and okay, we have our second slide, which is the image I just changed. So the third slide is still the same thing as the Oyibo man. I'll click on save. Sometime it might take time before these changes happen in your slide. Don't worry, it might due to network or server issue. So the third one, we change it. I will change it to anything I like. And what else can we do? You can change background, you can change the thumbnail, you can add title, layout, content. You can just explore all the features that slider resolution provide and see what work for you or which one does not work for you. You can add a text. On this place now, you can add a layer. Let's assume I can add shape. So see this one, I add this. I want it to be on the background, so the text can come out well. So I can decide to give this shape a color. So just go to color, make sure you highlight it, and see the color. And the color is black but it's transparent. I want to change it to blue, and then you can change the transparent here. The transparent, you see, as I'm scrolling, it's changing the transparent. So I like it like this. So I can mark it, and you want it to be under that is background. So just scroll this to make sure it's the one that is below everything, so it will be on the background. And select each of the elements you want it to be. Now I select it's on the front side, everything now, so you can preview. The third one now, you see we have this that I put, the color that I put, so you can view it on different devices, mobile, desktop, and just tweak around. You can change your style. You can design for mobile and see how to look on mobile. Just on here and made all your design to resize it to the mobile side. So now you can now move to mobile. So from this dot to this dot, that is the one that will be displaying on mobile. So you can now change your design for mobile, different thing for mobile, add some content for mobile, and for desktop, for everything that you want to do, you can modify it to what you like. So but for now, let me just save all the changes, and I think we are good to go with slider resolution. So you can explore it, use it to design your own slide. So let's move on in our development. So let's just preview the website and see the slider. So this is the website on the home page, and see our slider resolution. Everything is cool and okay. Yeah, different slider. So we continue our development by modifying this content and all other in the next module.